Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Many times you want to buy Optimism and you are wondering where can I buy Optimism. In this video, I am going to tell you about this. Investors in this video will be showing us exactly how to buy Optimism on Gate.io network. So follow me to the end of this video as I will be showing exactly how to do so. So the first thing you need to do is to sign up and get on Gate.io. If you have not restarted, go ahead to restart. The link is in the description box. So, but if you already have an account, just quickly hit on the login button. So the login button should bring you to this next screen and you should log in immediately. So I am just going to log in with my QR code, which is a more easier process. So I just tap on my mobile phone and I log in accordingly, and here we are. I have been logged in very fast. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is the search for Optimism. So just move your mouse to this end of the screen, click it and type in what Optimism right. You might not need to type it completely because the ticker is OP. So I click on what optimizing USDT pair and it should open up. So once it's open up, should see the price. It is trading at the moment, which is about $1 or there about, and it is down about 41. Okay, so make sure that before you begin trading you have completed your KYC and you already have some USD deposited. We have made several videos on how to transfer your USDT from exchange such as Binance to your Get.io account. Watch the video up till now. So as it is now, the price of Optimism is that dollar. So I am just going to include the price I want to buy my Optimism. Then I go ahead to click buy. So I want to buy my Optimism at a price that is more than the current market price. So I am just going to compute what dash dollars. So the amount of Optimism that I want to buy is, let's say I want to buy just some 30 pieces of Optimism, or you can decide use percentage of your funds to buy Optimism with. Okay, so suppose I want to use 50 of my funds to buy Optimism, so it will fetch me 50 for Optimism. Or if I want to use to give me what Optimism, so the total cost is, you can see. Alright, so I go ahead and smash the buy button. So there will be a confirm by order notification here, so I'll go ahead to click on confirm order. So for everything I need to do is I need to input my phone's password. Alright, so I go ahead and click on phone password and hit on submit. It's very seamless process and it's something that I can do in a other places. Okay, so other places is different from other executed. So once you come down, you should be able to see your buy order for optimizing. Once the price gets to this USD, my buy or that will be executed. So at any point in time you can actually cancel this particular trade is okay. So that is exactly how to make a buy order for Optimism on Get.io. Hope you got value in this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Also like and share this video, support us by smashing that subscribe button. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment on it below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.